Finding the source code for built-in Python functions. Is there a way to see how built-in functions work in Python? I don't mean just how to use them, but also how were they built, what is the code behind sorted or enumerate, etc.
Since Python is open source, you can read the source code. To find out what file a particular module or function is implemented in, you can usually print the _file attribute. Alternatively, you may use the inspect module. See the section retrieving source code in the documentation of inspect. For built-in classes and methods, this is not so straightforward, since inspect.getFile and inspect.getSource will return a type error stating that the object is built-in. However, many of the built-in types can be found in the objects subdirectory of the Python source trunk. For example, see here for the implementation of the enumerate class, or here for the implementation of the list type.
Here is a cookbook answer to supplement at Chris's answer. Python has moved to GitHub and the Mercurial repository will no longer be updated. Install Git if necessary. Git clone https://github.com/python/python.git. Code will check out to a subdirectory called Python, cd python. Let's say we are looking for the definition of print, egrep color equals always or print, less r, aha. C, python/builtinmodule.c, and gt, built-in_print. Enjoy.
I had to dig a little to find the source of the following built-in functions, as the search would yield thousands of results. Good luck searching for any of those to find where its source is. Anyway, all those functions are defined in built-in module. The functions start with built-in sub-function name. Built-in source, this URL. Built-in types, this URL. The IPython shell makes this easy. Function ? will give you the documentation. Function ? shows also the code. But this only works for pure Python functions. Then you can always download the source code for the CPython. If you're interested in Pythonic implementations of core functionality, have a look at pypysource.
Please answer as a swap.